Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So tomorrow is January 2nd and I will be starting a round of Whole30. I got my journal together. Now this is the book that you get that gives you like the daily guide of how to make sure you have success. You answer some questions in the book as you go along, and it helps you with tips as you go along too. And also it's going to help you with your mental game during the 30 days. So, but I actually want to do several rounds of Whole30 this year. So I'm not going to be writing in the book. I'll be writing in a journal the answers that go in the book. So that's what we're going to do. I've actually been studying and doing some research with the other books and stuff. So this is going to be my Whole30 book for the year. So this is what we got for the week. Got two breakfast bowls right here. This one has turkey, bell pepper, and spinach. These ones have potato, mushrooms, and bell peppers. So those are the four breakfasts since it's just Tuesday to Friday. Then we have four lunches here. What we got here is, now I'm not that fancy schmancy. I'm okay with bowls of food. Like I'm fine with that. So at the bottom I have carnitas, which is like a pork. I did a pork meat in the crock pot with a lot of seasonings, and it tastes just like carnita. So there's no fat, nothing, just the pork. Then I did broccoli and potatoes, and the potatoes just boiled, like nothing fancy again. I'll just be putting like a salsa to mix it all together. This one is another crock pot. This is chicken, shredded chicken that I did with seasonings in the crock pot. And then I have some green beans sauteed at the bottom. Now these are two salads. These are the same, so I'll just describe one. And it's just, the salad bag. Here are the carnitas. You can see up close. Maybe one of these days I'll be posting a recipe for that. And then for salad dressing, we will be using pico de gallo. Now I did a little liquid. Again, the liquid so that it goes all over, and stuff. And the last thing that I'll put is a hard-boiled egg, which I'm in the process of cracking open. So that'll be a lunch. Same thing here. Now for extras, I did hard-boiled eggs for snacks. I did some broccoli. This I have extra for because, if one of the weeks the husband doesn't feel like, whenever he's turned to cook, sometimes he doesn't feel like doing vegetables, so I do like to do a vegetable serving on the side. I have some mango that I'll carry with me. Now this is one mango. Now, you're not supposed to be snacking during Whole30, but due to the hypoglycemia that I have, I do snack on fruit in between to ensure that my sugar doesn't get low. So I am going to carry this. I'm not necessarily saying that this is a serving. I'm saying that I'll eat what I need. I also made some Whole30 pork sausage. I don't know if you guys have the recipe in the book, but it's basically pork and a lot of spices. And then I hard-boiled some potatoes, so quick one. I could just slice it and put it in the pan with a little bit of ghee or coconut oil or something like that. And then I have my nuts, to add to my lunch meals. So this is what we have for this week. I will be checking in as I go get going on my journey. 2018 will definitely be my year. 2017 was a mental year. I worked on my anxiety. I worked on myself. I feel like I matured a lot in 2017. I did a lot of growing and a lot of good work inside. So 2018, I'd like to continue working on myself with my confidence, but I also want to make fitness my number one priority in 2018. So Whole30 shall help me get there. So here we go. Day one comes tomorrow. Can't wait. Thanks for stopping by.